Hey everyone, this is Fred from GSC Solutions, back with another tutorial. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the Magic Edit feature, because Canva has recently launched a lot of features with its Magic Studio, and it's really good to save a lot of time when you're editing, when you're creating a design, when you're doing anything tech related. So you can use it in an existing design, or you can create a new design, and I'm gonna do just that. So if you wanna create a new design, go to the top right, and I'm gonna create a YouTube banner because we are on YouTube. And then once you're inside your design, you have to add your element that you want to change. In this case, I want to use this picture of a hand holding this flower, and you have to click on the element. It can be a video, it can be a photo, anything, and then click on Edit Photo at the top left. And then you're gonna click on Magic Edit below Background Remover. And the first thing you have to do is that you have to brush over the area that you want to be edited in your element. So you can choose the brush size. You can see that as you scroll, it's giving you the size that it's going to have. And in this case, I want to switch this flower. I want it to be an hydrangea. So I'm going to click on Continue. In this part, you can also select the whole image to edit, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep with the flower. And then the second part is the most important. You have to describe to the AI with as many details as possible what you want to be changed. In this case, it's really simple. I can say that change this flower to a hydrangea, and that's it. If you need inspiration, you can also click on one of these options below. But after you're done writing, you click on Generate, and it's gonna load. And after a few seconds, you're gonna see your options. I'm gonna pause the video and then come back when it's done. Okay, they're ready. So Canva always gives you 4 options, and you can click in each one of these options to see how they look in your element, in this case in my photo. I really like this 4th picture. I don't know about you guys, but if you haven't liked any of these options in your image, you just click on Generate New Results. But after you're done, you click on Done at the bottom, and that's it. Your photo is all good to go. Now, there's one more thing that you can do with this feature. If you have an existing image that you want to add things to, just click on the image, then Edit Photo, and then go to Magic Edit again. And then if you want to add new things to the picture, you have to brush over the area that you want things to be added. And in this case, I'm gonna add a few clouds in this picture. I click on Continue, then I describe what I want. Add some clouds in this area. And then Generate. Great, now I have the 4 options, and I can click on each to see which one I like best. Personally, I really like this one. Then I click Done, and that's it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have a suggestion of a tool that you want to understand and you want to have us doing a video about it, do leave a comment in this video, okay? Also, if you're interested in making your business scale with tech tools, we're the business experts. We can help you with that. You can go ahead on the description to click on the link, but reach out to us at gsdsolutionsync.com/letstalk. See you soon, guys.